is a trug? Well, a trug is it's sort of a harvesting basket you use for collecting fruits and vegetables in your garden around harvest time. And it's a handy little tool to have, and I never knew what a trug was. At least I didn't know the name of, I've seen baskets, I never knew the name of them. My wife came to me a while back and she wanted me to make one she saw that some guy did in Inventables, where he provided some instructions and some plans, and I built that one for her, and you may have seen that video. However, I wanted something that was a little bit easier to build, so I basically redesigned it and came up with another trug design of my own. So that you're going to see the build video next, unless you're looking at the teaser. If you're watching the teaser, you only get a few snapshots. You'll see what the trug is, you'll see a couple of photos in construction, that's about it. But if you want to watch the full build video from start to finish, well, that's for my patrons only. And my patrons only, we can access the link to that video. It's unlisted to the public, but they can access it on Patreon. And you can join Patreon for as little as $1 a month. And you'll not only have access to the trug plans and the full video, but all the other videos that I'm doing exclusively for patrons, you'll also have access to all the plans I've published in the past. I put them in PDF format. The link is in the article that I post on Patreon. You can easily click on it and download it. So, I hope you enjoy the video, either the teaser or if you're one of my patrons watching the full-length video. Thanks for watching.